My favorite dishes, and that is beef stroganoff.
Oh yeah, this is a good one. I do have my aunt's recipe for this that I've made a couple times, but this one looks so good because it's easy too.
It is easy. And May is beef month, so we wanted to do something with beef. And this is super easy, super quick.
It's one you use a lot, I'm sure, for your family. And you found it online.
Yes, I did.
Okay, and you haven't changed it at all?
No,
Okay.
no, it is, and it's called Easy Beef Stroganoff.
That's what we like.
You cook the noodles ahead of time and brown the ground beef, and then you stir in a can of cream of mushroom soup.
Okay.
And take a little bit of garlic powder and let that simmer, which is all done and ready for us here. So all we have to do is stir them, stir the noodles into the beef.
Okay. Great. You know, you can use cream of mushroom soup for anything, can't you?
You can. It's a good go-to, and
something you should have in your pantry at all times.
that's right.
Yeah.
Cream of mushroom or any of the cream soups.
Cream of celery, cream of chicken, right?
Yes.
Okay, so you just kind of stir that in.
Just stir it in, and
okay, and then after you do that, then we need to add some sour cream.
we need to add the sour cream.
I'll keep stirring while you
Okay.
do that. We need to kind of separate these noodles, don't we? Great. And if you were making this straight from the pot, the noodles would already be separated.
Right, they wouldn't have
Be sticky.
set up, but with having to transport everything,
I know.
it all makes a difference.
We appreciate you doing this, so let's stir this together.
Yes, and it's, like I said, it's easy, it's quick, it has beef in it, which with Beef Month, we're all about cooking with beef, and so this was a
go-to.
a good go-to recipe, and quick and easy.
Okay.
And we have just a little bit of salt and pepper.
You just kind of sprinkle it to taste?
Yeah, just however you prefer it.
Perfect. Okay.
Stir that in a little bit.
Great. And then we'll put it on my plate to give it a try. All right. This looks so good. Great. And we have to mention your cow necklace here today, too, for Beef Month.
Yes, we
Love that.
cattle are our livelihood, so
Yeah.
we do whatever we can to promote beef.
All right. Let's give it a taste. It is very good.
Thank you.
And very easy.
Very easy. Very, very easy. I'm sure you could do it ahead and have it in the crock pot, or you can, whip it up really fast after you get home and
Right. That's
have
what we like.
a hot meal on the table in a hurry.
All right. Thank you so much.
Thank
All right,
you.
John, back to you.
All right.